Your first obstacle is how to select menu and how many items should be there in the menu. So I would say that there can be multiple ways to go about this. Firstly, you have to identify what you are good at, what you really enjoy making, and what is your expertise. According to that, you have to list out items. So there could be 10, 15, 20. Make a long list of the items. Secondly, you first, it has to be a trial and error method. You put it out there, you make a menu using Canva or a basic design tool or Excel, even that works. You send it around and see what kind of response you're getting. Second would be to have a variety. If I'll just take an example of cakes. Suppose you are somebody who likes chocolate cakes, but having all variants of chocolate only cakes will not work for you. You need to address people who don't like chocolate cakes, who like fruit cakes. So a good variety in the menu, say 3 chocolate, 3 vanilla based, 3 mousse based. It need not be too many items, but a basic variety. If somebody comes to your page, they should find something for themselves. That. Third thing would be to probably have a survey. You can, ask people what are they looking to order or what would they like to have from you. So that would give you a brief idea what you can put out as your first menu. That of course you can change it as and when time goes by and you have more data to work with. But yeah, you have to start with your instinct, what you think will work best for you, and also what you're good at. What you make should also be really good, and people should enjoy it. So you have to, it's going to be a trial and error method initially, but later with more data in hand, you will be able to come to a menu, a set menu for your bakery. So yeah, I would say make a list, get some feedback, get some data, and then make the final menu. Okay, also I would like to add that make it interesting. So everybody has heard about a donut, right? Everybody knows what a donut is. But say you market it like a Berliner. Berliners are center-filled donuts, so it arises curiosity amongst customers. What is this? Let's just try it once. And if it clicks, if they like it, more likely they'll be talking about it to their friends and family. And for any small business, for a business that is coming, a word of mouth publicity works the best. If people are talking about you, they will remember you and they'll order when it's needed. So try and make it as interesting as possible. Do a little research. A simple thing can present it in a very interesting way. So you read about it and see how can you make your menu as interesting as possible. Yeah.